winches, paint sprayers, the backhoe, generators, the solar panel. These are the new ratchets. We got 20% off of the whole store. Yes, the whole entire store. This is the coupon. 10% off for non-members and 20% off for members. And if you're not a member, I do recommend it because you're going to be saving a lot of money, especially with these tools that I'm going to be showing you. All right, so this one does start Thursday, July 4th, all the way to the 7th. So you guys still got what? Saturday and Sunday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to do this because I'm going to be releasing this video today. But yeah, guys, definitely go jump on this, especially for the tools that they do not go on sale all the time. I'm going to go over some of them and some of the larger ones as well. All right, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. I personally do have these. Now, they look pretty good. This is a on sale item. Now, this one, yeah, it's a sale item. I believe the coupon's not does not pertain to this buy one get one free deal, but still, for the buy one get one free, it's still a pretty good deal. For that $99, that's a really good deal. Same thing with this one. You buy the battery pack and the starter kit and get a free tool. These are the new ratchets. Yes, these are brand new ratchets. Just released about maybe a month ago. So if you guys notice something different about this one and the Hercules, the head is a little bigger. I'm going to take a quick shot here for you guys so you guys can take a comparison right there. You guys want to look at the heads. Yes, I still prefer the Hercules. I'm in both lines, but still prefer the Hercules on those. And this is the battery deal. So you buy the starter kit and get a free tool. All right, let's start with the 20% off. So I'm just going to give you ideas of what you guys can get, and these hardly go on sale. So abrasive cutoff saw, $174, and then they got this bandsaw, $129. This one, I believe it does go on sale every now and then. But for this one, you're going to get it for sure on the 20% off. And then this mount, this is a really nice mount for any type of bandsaw, not just for the Hercules. This is a universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand, $119. And then you got, this one's a newer tool. This is a 4200 lumen. $89.99. It expands to 77 inches, IP65 rated. The solar panel, guys. The solar, buy yourself a couple of these, going with the buddy there, and or with your son or wife or whatever. Get yourself a couple solar panels. All right, so this one's on sale. This one does not pretend to the 20% off, but you can still get the 20% off right with that one. $34 on that one. And then, yeah, the jack stands. These are really nice jack stands, $49.99. Now, these do go on sale. Same with these, but still pretty decent, pretty good price for that 20% off, $79.99. Generators, guys, the big discount on these generators, $7.99 for that 3500. And then this other 3500, it is $479. Keep in mind, this is an open frame. Generator is not gonna be the quietest. And you also do have all the other generators you gotta get that 20% off, including this benchtop drill press. This one's $99, and then the 10-inch is $169. Winches, and you do have some off-road lights. You guys could get your 20% off on these. These do go on sale every now and then, but still pretty good deal for the 20% off. All right, we got some cement mixers, guys. Yes, these do not go on sale often, so definitely check it out. This is the $179. This is the smaller one, the one on the top. This one's the bigger one, which is the one on the bottom you just saw. $269. I'm planning to get one of these. I know I keep saying that, but I gotta buy one because I need it for my bigger yard or property that I have. $299 for that sander, and then you got another type of sander here, Osling. $199 for this one. Now, this one's a really good one because you can pretty much carry anything that's heavy and raise it up basically to the bed of your truck without breaking your back. $369 for the bigger one, $249 for the smaller one. Very, very worth it with that 20% off. All the creepers are on available for this coupon as well. The pumps, these are the Predator pumps. And then you got the drain cleaners, of course, $3.99 for these. Are the newer drain cleaners, by the way. $3.99 and $2.99. Now, something that I got for this channel is that 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter. It's very similar to this one, but it's just 1000 watts. Now, I did get that 20% off, and it did work. This is a newer kit that they have, but it's actually more expensive to get it with this than with the buy one get one free. So get the buy one get one free and get a free impact driver or a free hammer drill, and you're good to go on that. And then these paint sprayers, guys, so you got the professional ones right here, $5.99. 20% off on these. Same thing with these vacuums. These are very comparable to the orange ones, which are from Home Depot. Very comparable to those compressors, of course. Check this beast out, guys. This one's massive. This one's $19.99. Imagine getting 20% off of that one. That's a killer deal on that one. And same thing with this off-road jack, $3.19. Pretty nice deal. And of course, the backhoe. Yes, if you guys didn't know that they sell this, they do sell one. They don't have it at the store, so you have to order it. But you are able to get that 20% off from that $29.99. So definitely check it out. Wish I had one of these babies. And also the trailers are available. So guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what you guys could get. You guys have a great rest of the weekend, or safe weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.